Today I have completed a new project of Google and ready that conversion tracking on a WordPress website. I will show you that project today. Before going to the screen, I want to say one thing. Before starting the project, the client told me not to install any plugin on his website. He told me to do the complete tracking without any plugin. Usually, we use some plugin to enable data log when we work in a WordPress website. Now, in this project, I have show you how I enable the data layer without plugin and finish the project. Let's go to the screen.
I complete your full project and I will test it in live and show you it's working or not. Okay. Then first of all, I test your tracking system is working or not. Okay. So I preview it, and this is the browser container, and this is the server. We test both. First of all, then connect. And we open the Google Analytics debug view. Debug view section. And continue and preview the server. First of all, I click this button and see it's working or not. Okay. I click this button. Paste. You can see the item tag is fired, and here is the server side tag. The item tag was also fired. Also come this event, then you choose an option like this, and then add to cart. And begin checkout is complete, then it will show it it's working or not. Yes, begin checkout is coming. Here is the size select. Size select also fired. Add to cart also fired, and begin checkout also fired. So just we'll check the Google Analytics also. It's coming or not. You can see add to cart view item is also fired. Here is the view item, and you can see the product details in here, currency item, and you can see also product value, product title, place location, and many other things in here. All product information in here. You can see the size, place title, place location, and other things. And the add to cart, you can see also come in. Add to cart, place title, place location, referral, currency item, and many other things in here. Place item current name. That means it's working properly. You can see the server being triggered also fired success rate, and you can see the server side is also working. Then we continue the purchase. It's working or not. We complete the purchase just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. All of this confirmed, and you can see the purchase link is coming or not. And the purchase link is coming, and Reddit purchase fired. Google Ad conversion tracking also fired. Server side track fired. GeoCode server purchase also fired. That means it's working properly, and it's working properly. You can check also GeoCode it's coming or not. Yes, GeoCode purchase event also coming, and you can see the product information value, transaction ID, shipping info, quantity, test item, this referral, this location, the name. You can see all information in here. Coupon, currency, everything. You can see everything in here. That means your tracking is working properly. And what I do for you, I will show you, because when I start your working, Mr. Dave guide me. I don't use any plugin in your website, so I don't use any plugin in your website. I do all tracking through JavaScript code. I don't use any plugin. here is the method made e-commerce geo data layer. And when I click on this, and you can see what code I write and what I do. Here is the code, and this is the code. Okay, and I will show you. Let's load. It's from submit also fired, and I'll show you it's working. It's Java contact from submit also fired, and you can see the all details in here. And contact from submit also server side also working. Yeah. Fine. Okay, so I think it's working fine. And contact from submit. Okay, I think yes, your tracking, full tracking is working perfectly, and I will show you Reddit and Google Ads also working. Add to cart, begin checkout, page view, process, view content. It's working, and you can see here last 12 minutes ago it's working. Last hour minute, 18 minutes ago it's fired. Last 5 minutes ago it fired, and the last 10 minutes ago it passes. And last 2 minutes ago click on them. That means it's working perfectly, and this is event mesh quality. It's increased by day. It's already count conversion and conversion value here. Add to cart. It's already active. Begin checkout. It's active. Page view also active. So I think your all tracking is working perfectly. And then if you need any assistance for me, you feel free to message me, and if you need to change anything, you also feel free to message me. I will solve your problem anytime. Okay, thank you so much.